Okay, now they've invited us to come over and take a look. I don't know why I'm pointing this out to you. I can't read it. But this is their painting factory where they put the primer and the paint on the vehicles before they're sent over to assembly.
Super Factory Tour!
So we have to go in first through like this clean room.
Ooh, wow.
I don't know where I am now. Okay, here we go. Okay, I smell some painting smell.
It's a little bit dark here because the paint needs a special process.
Seriously, it's a huge place, and I didn't expect that place would be like that.
This is cool though. Look, you can see they have like a car lift that moves them along, that loads up the chassis and then moves them around the warehouse.
There's a lot of robots are responsible, and there is some people also there. So to paint this type of cars, there is people and machines.
I don't know how I can show our emotion, but it's very amazing.
We've just entered another little area here where it seems that, or what they've told me, is that robots, like the ones we were looking at before, apply 5 coats of primer.
They paint another part of the cars. The place where we were before, it was for painting the down car, but here maybe it's for the middle.
The workers working. They have only machines working. Look at this, amazing.
That's why the machines there are working, because of this guy here, or because of this computer.
They've just told us that we're actually going to get to go into the painting room. Okay, let's step in.
Okay.
Wow, it's certainly... Okay, first thing I'm noticing is if you look down, it's actually running water down there. Yeah, don't drop your camera. Running water.
The painting area has special ventilation to remove dust and chemists ensuring a flavorless finish. Painters wear masks, gloves, and suits to stay safe from chemicals.
My Chinese is not so good, but I'm going to try and ask this gentleman a question. 喷过水，为什么？
我们的那个喷涂的那个涂料掉进去会跟着这个水一起混合，然后到我们后面有一个分离的一个机器，把它给分离出来。
Wow, very interesting. 水去哪儿？
我们有一个设备进行一个循环。
Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. Very good. There you have it. Definitely an interesting place to be, my friend. Very interesting.